Hey guys, we're doing box 5 upper deck. Player random 6:45, 27 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yay. Players 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9. Yeah. That's what I wanted to do. What the fuck is going on? There we go. So, it's about to say, fuck it, seriously, becoming a jerk. And incomplete. Stuart Sales, Michael Fultz, Heath Keenum, Vince Carter, Steve Harrison, Penny Hardaway, Stuart Sales, Kevin Love, Andrew Hunt, Alonzo Mourning, James Cannon, Von Maker, Adam Bartley, Clyde Drexler, Steve Harrison, Larry Bird, Adam Bartley, Zach Levine, Adam Bartley, LeBron, Heath Keenum, Jerry West, Garth Manning, Jamal Murray, Steve Harrison, Elgin Baylor, and Hakeem Olajuwon, James Cannon, Dennis Rodman, Garth Manning, Magic Johnson, Jeff Wiktorski, Allen Iverson, Steve Harrison, Michael Jordan, Adam Bartley, Dirk Cannon, George Gervin, Nathan Alott, Kat, Bartley, DeMarcus Alott, Dr. J, Kiwi, Stephen Curry, Stuart Sales, Porzingis, Nick Powell, Andrew Wiggins, and Andrew Hunt, Ben Simmons. And that's the team player list.